Hello, my name is Harry Joseph. I'm a systems engineer with McNaughton-McKay Electric Company. Today I would like to discuss how to find the technical documentation for the PowerFlex 755 T-Series drives. Rockwell Automation has two separate web pages for the PowerFlex 755 T-Series drives. The first web page is dedicated to the PowerFlex 755 TS drives, and the second web page is dedicated to the PowerFlex 755 TL, TR, and TM drives. I'm going to show you the process that I use to find that documentation quickly. First, let's go to rockwellautomation.com. Next, let's do a search. We will search for PowerFlex 755 TS low voltage VFD. Next, we'll select PowerFlex 755 TS low voltage VFD link. And you can see here it brings up the web page, and below we have documentation tab, and you can see that there's a lot of supporting documentation and publications that Rockwell Automation provides for the TS drives. These are in categories: technical specifications, installation instructions, user manuals, program guides, and miscellaneous. These categories will help guide you to the specific information you may need based on your application. Next, we will do a search for the second web page for the PowerFlex 755 TL low voltage VFD. We'll click on the blue link from the search results, and that brings us up to the PowerFlex 755 TL, TR, and TM drives page. And again, we want to click on the documentation tab, and we can see that the documents are grouped again in the categories. We have technical specifications, installation instructions, user manuals, program guides, product profiles, and miscellaneous. And again, the categories will help guide you to the specific information you may need based on your application. I will provide a link below this video for each of the dedicated web pages for your convenience. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any further questions, please reach out to your local Rockwell Automation distributor or find us online.